Crypto Underground is back with an update video after this big crash that we have seen in the crypto space, guys. On the CME chart, we officially have closed now for the first time since this bull run started below the 50 weekly moving average at 103k. Things are starting to look very bearish. So is the bear market confirmed, yes or no? I'm going to tell you that in this video, guys. So make sure to be subscribed to this channel. Our crypto community is growing every day. So thank you very much for your great support. Check out all links in the video description, for example, to new upcoming cryptos that we quickly also going to have a look today. And of course, all the exchanges that I'm using to trade Bitcoin and altcoins over on Bybit, Phemex, everywhere. If you sign up with my links, you get the absolute maximum sign up bonus everywhere. And remember, guys, that everything in this video is no financial advice. I'm just showing you my own opinions and my own price analysis. I am not a financial advisor, so always do your own research. We're going to start here with Bitcoin on the weekly time frame. On the CME chart, guys, we closed at $94,400, very close to that little gap, that little CME gap that is still opened up at 91k. So at this stage, I expect that at some point we will come down this week to most likely close that gap. So yes, it is possible that we're gonna see more downside before eventually we're gonna see a big bounce. And on the spot chart, we are of course also trading over the weekend. So here this week candle has not closed, but because on the CME chart we already closed, I'm pretty confident that also here we're going to close below the 50 weekly, so below 103k. And even if we would rally all the way above today or tomorrow, I still think that the CME chart is telling the truth right now, and that of course is very much concerning right now. The reason why I believe that at some point the bounce will be incoming is because of the daily time frame. So first of all, the indicators are once more in extreme oversold conditions, so a bounce will be incoming at some point. And here although you can see this blue support trend line where we're bouncing right now is exactly the support trend line that we also bounced here many times before. Then we had here towards the current all-time high of Bitcoin at around $126,000. So a bounce here in my opinion is incoming because of that, and also because of our def cross. The 50 daily moving average is going below the 200 daily moving average. In the past, we always have seen a rally into the def cross, currently at 110k. And then we're gonna see if the bear market is confirmed or not. Because if we get a rally here, and we're not anymore able to push above and have daily and weekly closes above the def cross level, so above 110k basically, then in my opinion, the bear market will be absolutely confirmed. But of course, we still have the chance here to push higher and continue the bull run. This next bounce, at some point we will bounce. Even if we enter into a bear market right now, at some point we're gonna have a bounce, and that bounce will tell us if bear market is confirmed or not, guys. So that means that in theory, we still have time to cash out if we think that the bear market has started. So be subscribed here, and also at the same time, we have time to buy in more, and of course also keep our cryptos for the next big leg up into new all-time highs if the bull market is still intact. So that's why don't freak out too much with whatever is happening right now. Just focus on the price action and what happens with the next big move, because it is about to happen, in my opinion, in this next upcoming 1 or 2 weeks. And you can see that even though the crypto market is tanking, there is a very, very big interest about those new cryptos that are launching. You can find them all here in the video description, guys. I have put them all right here, like Bitcoin Hyper, Hypersui, and many others, because you can see that even though we have this crypto crash and Ethereum, Solana, and Bitcoin, of course, are going down, we have right now cryptos like Bitcoin Hyper, new upcoming cryptos that you can see a very big interest around those crypto, all around those cryptos that are launching in the next coming weeks and months. You can see they raised funds, they're going higher and higher, even though the crypto market is tanking right now. And I believe that most people are currently putting their money into new cryptos, especially with Ethereum, because in this altcoin season, we have seen new coins rally, new projects rally, also like Sui, for example. And now here also we have this Hypersui upcoming, where we can also here buy in at cheaper prices, and the launch price is of course much higher than the listing and than the current pre-sale price. And this is exactly what most people have done during the last couple of years, because in this altcoin season we have seen new coins, freshly new coins that came out pumping like crazy. There we have seen the altcoin season. But with the altcoins like Ethereum, Solana, and so on, there we didn't see really such big of an altcoin season, because all of them, they didn't really create new all-time highs, just slightly new all-time highs, but nothing too big. And that's why I think that new upcoming cryptos are better to buy than old cryptos right now, or especially if you want to be ready for the next big leg up or the next big crypto bull run. So if you want to get into the next best upcoming cryptos that currently are mentioned and hyped in many crypto websites, then you can find a complete list, this list that you see here in the video description with all of those tokens. So if you want to get on board, guys, this is where you can get them before the launch on exchanges, and then of course we're gonna see if they're gonna pump or not. Anyway, I keep you updated however it goes. Also, when I have new projects that I'm discovering, or if I see that a project is completely hyped and is upcoming very soon, I keep you updated on that, guys, and of course also on Bitcoin itself. Let's see what will happen here, but I think we're gonna need some more days and weeks to see exactly if the bear market is confirmed or not. Until then, be subscribed to keep you updated, guys. Of course, everything, no financial advice. This is just my strategy, just what I am doing here in the crypto space. So if you want to be following me, make sure to be subscribed on this channel. I salute you for now, guys. Crypto Underground, over for now.